Today, the city government of Manila will be filing criminal charges against Contractor, GLC Construction and Supply. We are stating on things that we need to do to protect the interests of the people of Manila and its property under the supervision, authority, and management by yours truly. As you all know, last week we were caught in surprise of an incident in Rasak, Santa Cruz, Manila. With that, through the weekend and holidays, your city government officials have conducted thorough investigation, and we have made a decision to pursue legal means against a corporation doing business in the city of Manila and abusing their business practice and doing unlawful business practice in the city of Manila. Today, the city government of Manila will be filing criminal charges against Contractor, GLC Construction and Supply, represented by its General Manager, YdzRandom, for illegal construction of the Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz project within the Rizal Avenue Sports Athletic Complex, or commonly known as Rasak. The following criminal charges, the contractor. First case to be filed: special cases of malicious mischief under Article 328 of the revised Penal Code, as amended, for causing damage for Rasak facilities, including the satellite office of the city government, police outpost, daycare center, performance stage, among others. Complaint to be filed before the City Prosecutor's Office by the City General Services Office. Second case, unlawful demolition and construction without necessary permit in violation of the National Building Code of the Philippines. On what ground? Demolishing the Rasak covered courts and other government structures therein without securing necessary demolition permit from the city building official, which is a clear violation of the National Building Code. Started constructing the multipurpose project without coordinating with the local government of Manila as instructed by the local government code. And if I may share some particular section of the local government code violated, Section 26 and Section 27 of the local government code, RA 7160. And for failing to secure building permit from the city building official, which is again a clear violation of the National Building Code. Complaint to be filed by before the City Prosecutor's Office by Department of Engineering and Public Works of City of Manila. Third case, unauthorized taking of government facility in violation of the Republic Act number 10344 or 10344, or the Risk Reduction and Preparedness Equipment Protection Act, for demolishing the Rasak facility, which has been an important location for evacuation and humanitarian purposes. The same facility is used as evacuation centers or center in times of disasters, fires, and other calamities. And as you all know also, if I may refresh your memory, it was utilized during the time of pandemic for our homeless individual exposed to COVID-19 in the streets of Manila. Complaint to be filed before the City Prosecutor's Office by the Manila City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, or MCDRRMO. Pangapat, the civil aspect of the crimes mentioned above will be filed separately. The City Government of Manila has filed a demand letter to GLC Construction and Supply Incorporated for illegally demolishing or demolished government structures and facility, which is owned by the City Government of Manila, and at the time of construction, especially at the time of Mayor Alfredo Eslim, the value of it is 10.4 million pesos. I have here The certification, which will furnish you a copy of this following certification later on. This is to certify that based on our official records, the Rizal Covered Court located in Alvarez Street, Santa Cruz, Manila has a net book value of 10,441,796.60 as of August 22, 2005. Issued this 22nd day, August 2025, City of Manila. Signed, Assistant City Accountant, Officer in Charge, Jonathan Galorio. Another certification from OBO, Office of the Building Official. This is to certify that no record of building permit was issued under the name GLC Construction and Supply for the project construction of multipurpose building, Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz, Manila City, Phase 1, located at Rizal Avenue, corner Alvarez Street, Manila. As stated in the National Building Code of the Philippines, Presidential Decree number 1096, Chapter 3, Permits and Inspection, Section 301 of the Building Permits. No person, firm, or corporation, including any agency or instrumentality of government, shall erect, construct, alter, repair, move, convert, or demolish any building or structure or cause the same to be done without first obtaining a building permit, therefore from the building official assigned in the place where the subject building is located or the building work is to be done. Signed, Manila Building Official, Rogelio Vicente. This is the certification by the City Accountant. Third certification. This is to certify that no record of demolition permit was issued under the name GLC Construction and Supply for the project construction of multipurpose building, Centro Comunidad de Santa Cruz, Manila, Phase 1, located at Rizal Avenue, corner Alvarez Street, Manila, by this office. As stated, the same in the National Building Code of the Philippines, Presidential Decree number 1096, Chapter 3, Permits and Inspection, Section 301 of the Building Permits. No person, firm, or corporation, including any agency or instrumentality of the government, shall erect, construct, alter, repair, move, convert, or demolish any building or structure or cause the same to be done without first obtaining a building permit therefrom. Therefore, the building official assigned in the place where the subject building is located or the building work is to be done. Signed, Manila Building Official, Rogelio Vicente. Walang demolition permit, walang building permit. Sinira ang property na pag-aari ng taong bayan sa lungsod ng Maynila nang walang kaukulang permiso o prosesong sunod ang GLC Construction and Supply. This afternoon, we will file cases against these people as mentioned with regard to the violation, criminal charges and civil. Thank you for your time.